Hey, this is Doug with Backcountry Pilgrim. Today I want to talk to you about this strange thing right here. This is the Vaucluse ultralight ventilation backpack frame Generation 2. It is just one of the worst feelings in backpacking to get somewhere to stop, take that backpack off, have that cold wind hit that sweaty back, and then have to put it back on later, and it pushes that wet shirt up against your skin. It can be miserable. Now, to mitigate that, some backpacks come with a ventilation system that either adds some air pockets to the foam back, or they actually have a stiff mesh net that creates actual airspace between your body and the backpack. However, most backpacks do not have this, and that is why a company called Vaucluse in the USA has invented this ultralight frame. Weighing in at 3.3 ounces or 95 grams, is meant to provide space between your back and your backpack, creating a gap that allows airflow between your body and your backpack. The frame can fit backpacks from about 15 to 45 liters. And because of the simple way that it attaches, it will fit just about any backpack you can think of. One of the best things about this frame is its price. This is under $40, and if you buy two, you get a huge discount. Currently 60% and free shipping, which is essentially getting the second frame for free. These Vaucluse frames are made in the USA and have a lifetime warranty. They say you break it, we fix it. So guess what I'm going to try to do? Just kidding. So my experience with this lightweight frame is that, number one, it was comfortable. I did not notice it really on my back after a short period of time. It did feel a little strange when I very first put it on, but even though it is very strong vertically, it flexes so well that it just conforms to whatever back shape you've got, and with the backpack pressing in on it, it just provides a little bit of like a shock absorber for the backpack itself. Now, I was concerned about pushing the backpack off of my back the width of this frame, which is just about exactly 1 inch. However, it really doesn't make a huge difference. If you think about some of the packs that are out there, there is a wider gap between their ventilation screens and the pack than there is with the Vaucluse. Really, the only complaint that I had with this was that the attachment system just was not quite as secure as I would have liked. A couple of times these popped loose. Now, it doesn't really matter. The frame doesn't go anywhere when that happens. It's not like it's going to fall off. I mean, just one of these is enough to keep on the pack, and you've got 4. Probably I just need to get better at setting it up with these Velcro straps and everything, but simply by snapping these in, they don't really stay in super well. So that may be something that gets improved upon in the future. Again, as far as function goes, it didn't really have much of any effect. However, it is something that was a little frustrating for me. I didn't really want to be nitpicking with these little things and these Velcro straps, but if you like the frame, you're probably just going to keep it on the pack anyway, so just get it set up right the first time and it shouldn't give you any trouble. So if you are tired of having a nasty, sweaty back when you're backpacking, but you don't have a backpack with good ventilation built in, or maybe you don't want one with the mesh built in that requires you to use it at all times, the Vaucluse ultralight backpack ventilation frame might be just for you. I hope this video has helped you out. If it has, why don't you give it a like and subscribe to Backcountry Pilgrim if you're into hiking, camping, backpacking, and the gear that goes with it. Until next time, I'm Doug. Thank you for watching.